Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about one of the topic that is Oxford University, basically. So, one of the person asked the question, basically, that after 10 minutes, basically, earthquake will happen. That means, basically, the University of Oxford, basically, given words to India. Given words to Pakistan. Given words to USA. Given words to UK. Given Italy. So like this basically I will take a few example, and in this basically I will add Canada also, otherwise incidents basically, because Canada is also basically Australia. Australia. Then basically China also we will take. So like this basically assume that basically these all are countries basically, and others basically, others also we will add basically. So one of the person that told that basically this is like this basically. Then he told that yes basically. So University of Oxford basically grew given few words to India. Then Pakistan, USA, UK, Italy, Canada, Australia, Austria also you can say, China and other countries basically. Then he told that yes basically they have given the words to the this all group basically. Then he told that yes basically. So one of the person told that basically here basically they have given words basically how basically birth and death words. This is only basically two things basically. That is only the two thing basically you can say. On the base of the entire world basically is having running basically you can say. Death words and birth word basically. This is the two word. Then it will be yes basically. यही है दो वर्ड बेसिकली. बर्थ वर्ड मीन्स actually what basically? If I say that words are equal to human souls, then it would be wrong or right basically. Then it would be 100% right basically. But this human souls basically converts into physical also basically. But main is what basically? Human souls. Main is basically human souls. So one of the person told that basically. On the base of this, the entire world basically is running. So one of the person told how many words basically birth word basically has given to the India, and how many death word basically has given to the India basically. So one of the person told that basically only this group basically can give, that is satellite group basically. Satellite groups. Satellite group basically can give this word basically. Lots of people says that the lots of basically nuclear power companies basically are, they are giving the human source data basically. and created by some set of groups basically. Then he told that yes basically, but that is approved by satellite groups only basically. Without their approval, not a single grass also basically can convert their color to from green to brown basically. That is not possible basically. So he told that yes here basically. So from green color to brown color also that is not possible basically. Why? Reason is satellite group basically will never give the permission basically. So it's same way basically. One of the person told that basically, यार मैंने I have basically put it basically 100 kilo RDX basically there, but there basically blast basically it has not happened according to that basically. Then one of the person explained basically that without power supply basically, that is the power supply company approval basically, this is not possible basically. So one of the company told that basically, power supply company means what basically, they told that basically this type of power supply, for example RDX is created from this material, this chemical basically, this data basically, set of words basically. Then he told that yes, that basically is going to blast to particular area basically according to the words setted in the environment basically. Then he told that yes basically. So that basically words which is setted in the RDX, that is supposed to be chained with the environment also. So for that basically the power supply company basically what do, they basically sets the words basically that within this area only basically the blast effect will happen basically. So that is the words basically which is basically setted in the particular area basically, that is setted in the particular area, that is basically setted in the particular area. Then he told that yes basically you are correct, you are basically correct basically. So that is the basically area basically where the words basically are setted. So one of the person told that basically, is this words basically and human souls basically which is created by set of nuclear power company and the group basically, without their approval, the satellite approval basically, this is not going to activate. Then he told that yes basically it's 100% not going to activate basically. 100% basically it's not going to activate. So that this group also basically knows that if we create our words basically, then also basically the approval basically is given by the satellite groups only basically. So one of the person told that satellite groups basically gives the words, yes basically, they only basically gives the words basically, they only basically gives the words basically. Reason, characters are equal to design in universe basically, and number equal to design in universe basically. So that character and the numbers combination of words basically, that is given by the universe group basically. So words basically mostly basically the University of Oxford group basically might be connected with the few satellite groups basically. One of the person told that yeah in Mumbai basically is there basically, right? Yes. There you told that basically suddenly basically the power supply will send the data to the city basically, and it might possible that entire city will get into the sea water. So one of the person told that that's why basically they have kept the entire University of Oxford there only, no, basically. Then you told that yes, yeah, basically. So if in future basically the word is going to be supplied basically, then they are going to track easily, no, basically, that which type of words basically is going to supply and which type of environment basically which is going to be set in the environment basically. So one of the person told that basically human body basically sets the environment. Exactly, no, basically human bodies only basically sets the environment basically of each and every city basically, and the basically few things basically are connected with the nature also basically, that is the each and every objects basically which are in the city basically, but 90% basically are the human body basically which is controlling the each and every energy basically. That's why basically the doctors are there, no, basically. That's why basically the doctors are there basically who basically say that basically this will be the temperature of the particular city after certain days. They basically exactly don't say basically, they will say after certain days basically this will be the temperature of this city. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.